In our previous video, we discussed simple linear regression. In simple linear regression, there is one predictor variable or independent variable and one dependent variable that is predicted with the help of the independent variable. In multiple linear regressions, there are more than one independent variables or predictor variables, and with the help of multiple predictor variables, the dependent variable is predicted. So, multiple linear regression is an extension of the simple linear regression. And if y is the dependent variable that depends on n number of independent variables x1, x2 to xn, then the multiple linear regression can be represented by the following equation. Y is equal to beta 0 plus beta 1 x1 plus beta 2 x2 plus so on plus e. E is the difference between the actual value of y and the predicted value of y, and it is called the error or residual. The coefficients beta 0, beta 1 to beta n are calculated in such a way that the error is minimum. Now, let's say we are given n set of values for the predicted variables x1, x2 to xn, and the corresponding actual values of the dependent variable is y1, y2 to yn. In a multiple linear regression, the residual sum of squares or RSS is defined as RSS is equal to summation from I is equal to 1 to n yi minus yi bar whole square, where yi is the actual value of the ith dependent variable and yi bar is the predicted value of the ith dependent variable. So, we can write yi is equal to beta 0 plus beta 1 x i1 plus beta 2 x i3 plus so on plus ei, and that is equal to the actual value of the ith dependent variable, and yi bar is equal to b0 plus b1 x i1 plus b2 x i3 plus so on, and that is equal to the predicted value of the ith dependent variable. Please note that b0, b1, b2 to bn are fitted values that estimate the parameters beta 0, beta 1 to beta n. So, the residual sum of squares is equal to summation from I is equal to 1 to n ei square, and that is equal to summation from I is equal to 1 to n yi minus yi bar whole square, and that will be equal to summation from I is equal to 1 to n yi minus b0 minus b1 x i1 minus so on whole square. The coefficients beta 0, beta 1 to beta n are calculated in such a way that the residual sum of squares is minimum. Please note that multiple linear regression model is based on certain assumptions. There is a linear relationship between the dependent and the independent variables. The independent variables are not highly correlated with each other. The observations of yi are selected randomly and independently from the population, and the residuals are normally distributed with a mean 0 and variance sigma square. I hope this helps. Interested viewers who want to know more, please visit the website of the Security Buddy or refer to the playlist Statistics for Machine Learning. The relevant links are provided in the description. You may also want to subscribe to us and get notifications on recent videos.